question from mensuration where it's given that two cones. Okay, so first of all, two cones are there. There is no one cone, there are two cones, right? So the data is given to you into the question is two cones. Just write it, just take the data what is given into the question, then only start to solve it, right? In this case it will be always easy and it will be successful solution which you can do. So two cones are there first of all with same base radius. That means base radius, that means base radius is same. That means if this is a cone, right? What is the base radius? This is the base. This is the base, and this is the radius of the base, right? So this is same. So both the cones have same base radius, right? This is given to you. Now, what is another data? Another data is that same base radius and the value of this base radius, let's say r, is given to you, and that is equal to 8 centimeter, right? So the base radius is given to you, that is 8 centimeter. Now the another data is given, the height of the cone is given as 15 centimeter. So what is the height? Height is from the center of the base radius till the apex, right? So this will give you the height h, right? Now are joined together along their bases. Okay, okay, so let us turn the cone, and if this is the base of the cone, right? If this is the base of the cone, and let's say one of the cone is lying like this is one of the cone, and along the bases, this is the base through which they are joined. Okay, that means back to back, that means back to back. Is it fine? Is it visible to you? I think so. So from back to back, this is another cone which is attached, right? So there are two cones. This is cone 1 and this is cone 2, right? So here the height of the both the cones is given to you, that is equal to 15 cm, right? So where that height will go? So that means if this is the base radius, right? If this is the base radius till this point, then from here, this is the apex of the cone when lying horizontally. This will give you the h, isn't it? The height of the cone, and this will be the r. R for both the cones and h of both the cones are same. So this is also equal to h. If this is r, this is also equal to r, right? Now we need to find the surface area of the shape so formed, right? This is a question from NCERT. So we can do, what is the surface area of the cone? That is the main thing. This is the main formula which we need to recall, right? What is the surface area of a cone? Surface area of a cone, there are two surface area. One is total surface area and one is curved surface area. So the what is the first term? The curved surface area. The curved surface area of a cone is pi r l. Do you remember it? Pi r l. And when you add, pi r l is this area, this one. This is pi r l, right? I mean to say this one, the curved part, the softy, the cone with the ice cream which you are eating, which is into the conical form. Then the shape which you are holding, this is the curved surface area, right? And this is equal to pi r l, right? What is l? That is the slant height. This is the slant height, this is the l, right? So curved surface area is pi r l, right? But when you are eating the ice cream, from which side? from this side, right? I'm just taking the example of a softy or a cone so that you can easily understand. So the surface from which your lip is touching, that means initially that will be a circle. Okay, so this circle which is lying, which I am shown here into the shaded color, the area of the circle is pi r a square, right? So the curved surface area is pi rl, and the total surface area will be this curved surface area, that means pi rl plus this pi r square, right? That means the softy which you are holding, the area is pi rl, this one plus this pi r square. So this is the concept of surface area which we are closing over here. Now we are just going directly to solve the question. So which area we will be taking over here, the curved surface area or the total surface area? Tell me, students. Now it's your turn. It's not like that time every time I'm speaking and you are not learning. don't don't take my words otherwise, but yes, I want it into the comments. Here the cones are attached back to back, right? Since the cones are attached back to back, that means with their bases, that means the base area will be hidden, isn't it? Think like that. If two curve are there, right? If the cone is like this, if the cone is like this, right, then definitely from the back end another one is attached like this, right? So this way this is hidden, this portion is hidden. If this portion is hidden, that means this pi r square is hidden, isn't it? So the curved surface area will only be taken rather than total surface area, because these two cones are attached back to back. Back to back, that means the area which is in contact, this one, the circular base. Okay, these are into back to back attached statement, back to back status. So that's why you are not able to see from outside. Suppose you are trying to see from your eyes, okay, and if you are seeing it, then are you able to see this base which is already hidden by the attachment of the two cones back to back like this? So this area will not be seen, so that's why I have written it is hidden. That's why this pi r square will not be considered in this question. So that's why the curved surface area will be the only surface area which is your answer. So the curved surface area, what is that? Let us calculate. Curved surface area of the two cylinders, that means curved surface area of figure is equal to curved surface area of cone 1 plus curved surface area of cone 2, right? This is cone 1, this is cone 2. What is the curved surface area of cone 1? Pi r l. This is nothing new, you are already knowing. This one pi r l. So pi r l for one cone and pi r l for another cone. Why I am writing r? Because r of both the cones are same, but l is not known to you. Oh, so something still need to be find out. So let us find that l. How l will be find? It's very simple, right? You must have been read. I am knowing it, right? If h is given to you for this cone, then this is the L if this is the base radius, right? It's a right circular cone. Anytime, unless and until it's mentioned, we always consider it's a right circular cone. So in this case, if this is the cone, then L, the value of L is easily calculated by Pythagoras, that is root over of h square plus r square, isn't it? H square plus r square. So what is h square? Height is given to you, r is given to you. Just put up the values over here. So 15 square will be the value of, will be h square, And what is r square? R square is 8 square, right? So this will give you root over of 225 plus 64. So this will give you root over of 54962 289. Oh, it's very easy. 289 is the root of what? 17. So the value of L is calculated over here, and this is the L. This is the L, right? So let me write L, which is calculated as 17, right? So L is calculated as 17. That means when you put up the value, you calculate the total curve, total surface area of this attachment. That is pi RL plus pi RL, right? So what is the value? What is the surface area? Total surface area. The total surface area will be curved surface area of these two cones, because this is the base which is hidden. That's why we have not considered this pi r square. Always mind it, right? So that's why the surface area of this figure, that means curved surface area of 1 plus curved surface area of 2, that is pi rl plus pi rl. L was not known to us, that's why we calculated the value of L, which is 17. And when you add pi RL plus pi RL, this will be giving you 2 pi RL, right? Same thing is repeating two times. So 2 into pi RL is your answer. That is in centimeter square, but it's still not calculated. Just put up the values. 2 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7, let's say. And R, what is the value of R? This is known to you, 8 centimeter. Just write 8. L, what is the value of L? L, we have calculated this 17 centimeter, this one. Just put up the value of 17 over here, right? So this will give you 8 into 2, or 22 into 2, 44. 44 and 8 into 17, 8 7 56, 5 136. Carry was 5 8 5 13. Yeah, 44 into 136 by 7 centimeter square is your answer. So just multiply 136 and 44. It's a, I don't want to do lot many of calculations. It's my bad habit, I know. But anyway, we need to do it. 4 6 24, carry 2, 4 3 12, 2 14, carry 1, 4 4 5. Is it right? Again, this will be repeating. So 4 4 5. So this will give you, yeah, this will give you 4 8 9 5 9 8 4, right? So this will be giving you 5 9 here, 5 9 8 4, and this divided by 7. So this will give you the final answer as 7 8 56, 38 7 5 35, 34, 7 4 28, 35 minus 28 is 7. So 7 8 57 9, 7 8 56 7 9 63. So at 54.9 something centimeter square. So we can round off, and it will be we can write it at 855 centimeter square, right? So the curved surface area, or the total surface area, or whatever the surface area of this entire figure, we can say that it's equal to 854.9 centimeter square, right? I hope you like the solution, students. Why we have not considered this base, and what will be the total surface area, what is the concept of curved surface area and total surface area, and how to solve such questions. Yes, so this is the basic formula which is used, this one, and again finally we are able to solve it, right? So thank you for watching, students. I think this is the sufficient time which we have given into the today's session. Now we can wind it up, because I don't want to extend it from 15 to 15 minutes, right? most of the times I'm trying to wind the session in 15 minutes. Because you can see most of my live sessions is not more than 15 minutes. Yeah, because it's not like that you can sitting in the class for a long period and it becomes boring. Okay, so just enjoy. Happy learning. Bye bye, take care.